In this video, I will show you how to release Elastic IP from EC2 instance and from EC2 service. I have logged in to Amazon Web Service, currently on EC2 instance service, and right here we have instance that has Elastic IP. So how we can remove it or release it? We can go to Elastic IP and we check this IP address and we choose the first one is the associate Elastic IP address. This means that we release the Elastic IP that's connect to our instance. So before we delete the Elastic IP, we need to disassociate the Elastic IP address. Just click disassociate. Okay, disassociate successfully, and we can see right now that there is no associate instance ID to this public IP, and with this check we can now release Elastic IP. Okay, we can go to our instance again, we refresh, and now the server or the instance got new IP address, but it is not Elastic IP. Still, we can access this web server from dynamic IP address, but the IP address will change when we restart or we stop the instance. Okay, that's all. We hope this video is useful and see you in the next video.